In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently cancel your card on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect, and how to avoid the most common mistakes when you no longer need a card. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone. On the home screen, look for the cards icon in the top right corner. Give that a tap to open your card hub. If you have more than one card, you'll see them listed or in a carousel. Take a moment here to carefully select the specific card you want to cancel. This matters, especially if you have multiple physical or virtual cards tied to your account. With the correct card open, head into Settings. Depending on your app version, this may look like a small gear icon or a clearly labeled settings option under that card. Inside the card settings, scroll until you see the option labeled Terminate Card. This is the control that permanently cancels the selected card. When you tap Terminate Card, the app will prompt you to confirm. Read the warning on screen closely. Terminating a card is permanent. Once you confirm, that card will be immediately and irreversibly cancelled. It won't work online, in stores, or at ATMs, and any saved card details for that card will no longer be valid. If you're looking at the wrong card, back out now and choose the right one before you proceed. After you confirm, you're done. The termination happens right away, and there's nothing else you need to do within this flow. If you ever need a new card later, you would create or order one separately, but the terminated card itself cannot be reactivated. Here's an important tip to help you choose the right action for your situation. If your card is simply misplaced and you think you might find it, use freeze instead. Freezing temporarily blocks all transactions, giving you time to look without permanently cancelling the card. If you later recover it, just unfreeze and you're back in business. On the other hand, if your card is lost or stolen and you know it's not coming back, select Lost Stolen to block it and order a replacement card right away. That keeps your account secure while ensuring you have a working card on the way. And that's all it takes to permanently cancel your Revolut card. Open the app, choose the card, go to Settings, tap Terminate Card, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and take care while managing your cards.